welcome back to another video on Let's Cook That. Today we'll be making a salsa by using a molcajete, which I bought one on my last trip that I went to Mexico. I bought one because here they're actually very pricey. We already had the trip planned, so why not bring it from over there, which was really cheap, like $15. It was like 14 something, about $15. But salsa de molcajete, it's very good. It's like real traditional. This is the way they would make salsas a long time ago before, you know, blenders even exist. So it is, when you buy it, read the instructions how to cure it or season, which I already did this, and this is going to be my first time making it in my new molcajete. So the ingredients are 4 tomatoes. I have chile serranos. I'm going to use 4, but you could use how many you want, depending how spicy you want it. I have 2 garlic cloves. I'm going to be using whole black pepper, just like 2 little pieces. And then I have some chopped onion and some chopped cilantro. Yeah, you guys, and I forgot the salt. We'll be needing salt. So what we're going to go ahead and do is put our tomatoes in a grill, or you could use a skillet, whatever you prefer. If you don't want your skillet to get messy or anything, you could use foil paper, which they say it's not very healthy, so I'm not going to go ahead and use it, but I'm not going to lie. When I want to be lazy, I do use foil paper. So we're going to go ahead and leave them on here and just keep on turning them like every 3-4 minutes, all the sides, so we could get them like a little roasted. So this is what you want to see when they're almost ready. Just keep on turning them back and forth. And we'll give these a little bit more. So I already removed the serrano chilies. I'm leaving the tomatoes for a couple more minutes. And while the tomatoes are ready, we could go ahead and start with putting a little bit of salt, just a little bit. And then at the end, you can add more salt if you like if it needs more. But we'll just put a little bit with 2 of the whole black peppers. 2. And then we can start crushing these together. See how it crushes? Once the black pepper is all crushed up, we're going to go ahead and put the garlic. Smash them. Remember, salsa de molcajete, it's not completely blended. It's more like a chunky kind of salsa. But this one, we do want to make sure we like smash it all the way. Once the garlic is all like a paste, mixed together with your black pepper and your salt, we're going to go ahead and put 1 chili at a time, and we're going to do the same thing. And remember, it's more like a chunky, so it's not going to be completely blended. So it's okay to have pieces of the jalapenos or serranos, whatever you're using. Once the tomatoes are all done, let's go ahead and remove them. See, that's the mess I'm talking about. Okay? So then what we're going to do is we're going to start doing one by one, just like we did with the chilies. Same thing until we do them all. So there we go. We have all 4 of our tomatoes, our serranos. Let's make sure you don't leave big old pieces. I did forget to remove this end from this tomato. It is a little tiring, but believe me, if you guys love salsa de molcajete, it's going to be worth it because it's very good. Okay, so this is how it looks. If you guys want it not too chunky, then go ahead and continue doing it until you like the texture of it, like however you want it. But I like it chunky, so I'll leave it like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and try it because it smells really good. It's good already, and I haven't added no cilantro or onions, but this is really good. So I'm going to go ahead and add some onion. Onion is just, you know, I chopped it up really thin, how much you guys want. And then let's add some cilantro. These measurements are up to you, how much you like it. But there you go. We have a yummy salsa de molcajete. And the salt, to me, is perfect, so I do not need to add more, but that's optional however you like it. But look how yummy this salsa with the carne asada, with some rice, with some chips. Summer's around the corner, which it feels like summer already, but this is perfect just to set it up on your table. I could have probably put another tomato so it could have got full all the way, but this is a good amount of salsa for us. Okay guys, so this is all done and it's very yummy. And if you guys like this video, like always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And now let's give it a try. I don't have carne asada, so I'm gonna try it with chips. But oh my god, you guys, it's so delicious. You can tell the difference of a salsa and a molcajete compared when you blend it or when you chop it in your blender. This is bomb, you guys. I hope if you guys have one, I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys already make salsas, but if you guys don't have one, try to find one. I know they sell them on Amazon, but they're like 50 to 60 bucks. I've seen some like at Ross and other places, but little tiny ones that they're not like the real thing. But try to get one. You guys are not gonna regret making salsas and molcajete. So I hope you guys like it once again, and see you next time on Let's Cook.